Now we will solve exponential equation where exponential term, multiple exponential term with fraction base will be added or subtracted together to make the equation. Let us do these two examples. So similar to the previous examples, first we will replace this exponential term with a polynomial. So let us assume that u equals 3 to the power x plus 2. So this is u. So u divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 3 equals half. So therefore this becomes a fraction form linear equation. So we will solve this linear equation. So if we take the left hand side common denominator 2 and 3, the common denominator will be 6, and this u will be multiplied with 3, so we will get 3u, and 1 will be multiplied with 2, so we will get 2 equals half. So now if we cancel this 2 and 6, we will get 3 here, 1 here. So 1 will be multiplied this side, 3 will be multiplied that numerator, and 1 will multiply left side numerator. So 1 times this will remain as it is. 3u plus 2 equals 3 times 1 is 3, or 3u equals, if we take this 2 on the other side, it will become 3 minus 2, or 3u equals 1. Now 3u equals 1. Now u is 3 to the power x plus 2. So if we take a little bit more space here, so if we replace that u value, that 3 times u is 3 to the power x plus 2 equals 1, or if we, this is 3 to the 1, so 3 to the 1 times 3 to the x plus 2, so it will be 3 to the power 1 plus x plus 2, because same base multiplication, so index law, these two power will be added together, equals 1. So if we take this calculation here, then we are getting 3 to the power x plus 3, 3 to the power x plus 3 equals 1. 1 can be written as 3 to the power 0. To match this base, we are writing 1 as 3 to the power 0. So these two bases are same. Power x plus 3 equals 0. Therefore, x plus 3 equals 0, or x equals minus 3. So in this example, there were only one exponential term in the fraction form, but here we have two exponential form, 4 to the power x by 2 and 8 to the power x by 3. But we need to make these two exponential term with same base. Here the base is 4, here the base is 8. First we need to make their base same. That means 4 can be written as 2 square. So here we can write 3 times 2 square to the power x by 2 division 2. So this first term can be written as 4. This 4 part, we just changed this 4 part. This 4 can be written as 2 square, and the power was x to the power 2, plus 5 times 8. 8 can be written as 2 to the power cube, because 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So 2 to the power cube. So if we write 8 is 2 to the power cube, and the power is x by 3. So the power is x by 3. Division 2 equals 1. Or if we multiply these two power, because 2 to the power over power on power, so these two will multiply. So 2 times x by 2, 2 times x by 2, 2 and 2 will cancel, we will get only x. So here we are getting 3, 2, and these two power multiplication is giving x. So 2 to the power x, 3 times 2 to the power x division 2 plus 5 times, here this 2 to the power 3 to the power x by 3, these two power will multiply. So 3 times x by 3, 3 times x by 3. So this 3 and 3 will cancel, we will get x only. So we are getting, so it will be only 2 to the power 5 is multiplied already. So 2 to the power x division 2, because 2 to the power 3 times x by 3. So 3 times x by 3, 3 cancel, so x. So these two powers multiplication is only x. So it is 2 to the power x equals 1. So now in the original equation, two exponential terms base was different, 4 and 8, but we converted them into same base. So here it is 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x. So they are two same base exponential term. So if we assume let u equals 2 to the power x, so we replace this exponential term with a new variable, then we will get 3u division 2 plus, because this is u, so 3u division 2 plus 5u division 2 equals 5u division 2 equals 1. Or if we take the common denominator 2, then it will be 3u plus 5u equals 1. Or 8u, that means 4u, because 8u division 8u by 2, 2 and 8 will cancel 4u. So 4u equals 1. So now 4u, if we take this calculation here, 4u, u means 2 to the power x. So 4 times 2 to the power x equals 1, or 4 we can write as 2 square times 2 to the power x equals 1, or here 2 base, so these two power will add together, so 2 to the power 2 plus x equals, this one we can write as 2 to the power 0. So these two base are equal, therefore 2 plus x equals 0, these two power 2 plus x and this power is equals. So from here we can get 2 plus x equals 0, therefore x equals minus 2. So solving these kinds of equation, we need to first convert the different bases into same base exponential term, and then we will replace that exponential term to get a fraction from linear equation, and after solving the fraction from linear equation we will get a simplest form of u equation, that is u value, and then we will replace that u with the original exponential term and solve that multiplication form exponential equation to get the x solution.